Hey guys, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we're doing a haircut on my client here who has a case of alopecia in the crown area. So we already did her shampoo and condition. For the shampoo and condition, we used our Moisture ELT shampoo and also the Moisture ELT conditioner. I also created a cocktail using our hair repair and growth shampoo just to help aid in the area where she has the alopecia. Now for her haircut, she is going to be doing a bob, in which we will be doing what we call an over-directed bob. So before I'm able to actually do the cut, I did have to silk press her. And you always want to make sure that when you are doing haircuts, I see a lot of videos where people do haircuts on their hair when it's still in its kinky state. And I'm just not a firm believer of those types of cuts because I do believe that you still end up having to go back and clean your cut up at the end. So it's better to just go ahead and silk your client out, have the hair nice and straight and prepared so that you can actually see your guide and you don't have to worry about any sort of reversion when it comes on to the actual hair cutting phase. Now for her silk press, I did apply some Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum, which is our Goddess Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum. That will serve as a heat protectant for her hair. And then all I did was use my H2 Pro titanium iron to flat iron her for the remainder of the way. Of course, with any type of silk press or flat ironing service, you always want to make sure that you are, maintaining pressure on the actual iron until the last piece of hair falls out of the iron. Now, if you guys noticed, I did switch over to my Babyliss Prima 3000. I wanted to see if I would like the result of this silk press better with this iron, when honestly I feel like it did not silk the hair enough for me, and I do feel like I would have had to do more than one pass. So I switched back to my other iron. Now for the actual guide, I started with my clippers. I love using my clippers to do bob cuts because it gives me a nice clean line and it gives me the ability to really have some control or the direction of my style. And if you guys notice, she is doing an asymmetrical bob. And after using the clippers, I just went through with my shears just to literally give her some layers. Not too many layers, but I wanted to create that effect of lifting or just layering, I guess you can call it. That's the proper term, but some people call it different things. And all I did was go through and just do a little bit of notching just to take some of the weight off the bottom of the bob. Now, if you guys notice, her hair is nice and shiny. Her hair is nice and movable. It's nice and light. That is the biggest part of any type of silk press. You do not want the hair to be very heavy. And then in her crown area, we over-directed her hair just to kind of give the appearance or mask that area a little bit more in regards to that area where she has the alopecia. Now, for her, for her style itself, this is something that the client will have to do when it comes on to the styling part. And I did put a little bit of our Elite Masket hair fibers in that area just to kind of take down some of the appearance of the balding or thinning in that area. Now, the Elite Masket is hair fibers. It is a temporary solution, but of course it does help with the confidence of our clients, and it helps with just masking the fact that there is something there. It's not going to take it away, but it is going to help, make that area not so noticeable. Now, I want you guys to take note. Look at these layers. This is exactly what we want. We want to take the eye away from what the problem is and make it only appear to see the solution. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also thumbs up this video if you can. And if you're new, please don't forget to visit EliteHairCareUSA.com, where you'll find all of the products that I've spoken about and all of our hair repair, hair regrowth, and hairstyling products. Now, I did use my Babyliss FX Gold Trimmer to just clean up the base of the bob. But outside of that, guys, her haircut came out fabulous. And, of course, it gave her some oomph to her style and start her regrowth and hair health process. Look at that shake. Yeah. Thanks for watching again, you guys. See you in the next video.